result of his 16th
relentless march to greatness. They invite a challenge from Wolves. And Aït-Nouri has got ahead of Ake here, and Ederson. Kovacic, Ireland shrugged off. Hold up here for Kevin De Bruyne, who has it. Bernardo Silva, De Bruyne looking to wriggle through, and so beats Luton. Silva picks his pocket and wins it today. They're away by Kilman, Guardiol, Rodri! Forceful but high.
Yeah, it's just in front.
Bernardo Silva, and Guardiol wins.
Aït-Nouri, and there's the collision there.
Erling Haaland, faultless. Rises to every moment, and Manchester City are in front again.
Well, particularly for